Builders Mutual Insurance Company presents Toolbox Safety Talks. In this talk, we'll focus on maintaining a clean job site. Maintaining a neat and clean job site means different degrees of cleanliness and neatness to different people. What one person accepts as proper housekeeping may not be acceptable to someone else. Clean job sites are influenced by two things: what we do or neglect to do, and the weather. We can control most conditions. Others we can be on the lookout for and guard against or remove. While we can't prevent bad conditions caused by the weather, we can often foresee them and plan the necessary action. A general cleanup once a week won't guarantee safety on a construction site. You've seen jobs where it wasn't safe to turn around or even put your foot down without looking twice to be sure there wasn't something that might cause an accident. A job like this is poorly run. Not only is it unsafe, it also makes for poor relations with the owner and the public. General safe practices. Keep trash and loose materials picked up and disposed of properly. Put scrap in its proper place. Secure materials to prevent shifting or rolling. Remove tripping hazards. Store materials so there is always a clean path around and between work areas and in and out of the job site. Do not place objects in ways of exits. Keep floors, ladders, rungs, and stairways dry and free from oil and grease. Put tools and equipment in areas where they belong. Do not store loose materials on scaffolds. Do not store more than one shift of material, such as block or brick, on scaffolds. Storing materials safely. Store material for stable removal. Leave space for workers and equipment to load and unload stored materials. Ensure the platform, scaffold, or support has adequate strength for the weight of the material. Keep the height of stored material low for stability and line of sight. Store pipe and rods in building racks. Waste and scrap disposal. Clear scrap lumber with protruding nails from work areas, passageways, and stairs in and around buildings or other structures. Remove combustible scrap and debris regularly. Provide containers for the collection of waste, trash, oily and used rags, and other refuse. Ensure containers for oily, flammable, or hazardous wastes, such as caustics and acids, are equipped with covers. Do not drop material outside the exterior walls of a building or structure. Enclose material chutes. Guard openings and discharge of material chutes. Don't leave open containers of flammables, gasoline, paint, oil, grease, adhesives, etc. Ensure the site has good lighting. Replace lights immediately when they burn out. Remember, if waste is allowed to accumulate for just a few days, the job becomes messy and unsafe. Thank you for watching. Visit buildersmutual.com/rm for easy access to Toolbox talks and sample safety programs.